Okay, so welcome sa ating new topic ng ating tutorial. So we have here simplifying polynomials. So ito na yung pinaka-proper na ating polynomials. So una, pwede ka dyan mag-substitute. Okay, so pwede rin namang isi-simplify mo muna siya before mo masagutan or mas-simplify yung buong equation mo. So una, we have negative 3 minus negative a squared plus 6a minus 21. So, yan, basically, substitute mo lang siya. So, that is negative 4. Okay. So, may negative ka pa uli sa labas. Okay. Kasi sabi dito negative. Okay. Then, minus negative 4 squared plus 6 times negative 4 minus 21. So, magiging 4 cube na lang yan. Minus 16 kasi negative 4 squared is 16 plus negative 24 okay minus 21. Okay, so anong pwede ma-simplify dyan? 4 cube, that is 64 minus 16 plus negative 24 minus 21, so that is negative 45. 64 minus 16 is 48 plus negative 45. So, your value is 3. So, 3 is the answer. Okay? Okay, so for our second example, parenthesis 5p minus 5p raised to 4 minus 8p minus 8p raised to 4. So, obviously, may minus dito. So, pag mo-minusin mo lang siya. So, that is 5p minus 8p. Yun lang munang may same variable. So, that is negative 3p. Then, negative 5p4, p raised to 4, minus negative 8p raised to 4. So, that is plus, that is 3p raised to 4. Then, combinein mo na alphabetically. Then, i-base mo sa alphabet, exponent, and whole number. So, ang final answer mo is negative 3p plus 3p4. Okay? Okay, so for our third example, so we have 5n raised to 4 plus 6n cubed, parenthesis, plus 8n minus 3n cubed minus 5n raised to 4. So, hindi porket nakakita kayo ng parenthesis, multiply na agad. So, beware. So, may operation sa gitna, okay? So, ano muna yung isa lang ang variable, isa lang siya. So, we have 8 lang. Okay? So, 8 is equals to 8. Then, 5 and 4. Ayun yung una natin nakita. Plus, may katulad ba siya? Ito. So, obviously, 0. Okay? So, 6n cubed plus negative 3n cubed. Okay? Then, anong sagot yan? 3n cubed. Okay? So, magiging sagot mo dyan, arrange mo muna 3n cubed plus 8. So, that is the answer. Okay? So, next natin, 4x cubed plus x minus 7x squared plus, parenthesis, plus x squared minus 8 plus 2x plus 6x cubed. So, set aside mo muna uli lahat ng factor. So, we have negative 8 lang. So, nag-iisa lang siya. Okay. Then, 4x cubed. Anong katulad niya? 4x cubed, that is 6x cubed. That is 10x cubed. So, store mo lahat ng sagot mo. Then, we have x plus, what is your x? Okay. x squared. No. Isa lang pala siya. So, x pa rin siya. Okay? Then, we have x squared. Okay? X squared, negative 7x squared plus x squared. So, that is 6x squared. Tama? Okay? No. Pwede pala to. X plus 2x. So, 3x pala siya. Sorry. So, x plus 2x. So, that is 3x. Okay, yun siya. Then, Ano pa? Dapat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, okay na siya. Ngayon, i-rearrange mo na siya. So, we have 10x cubed plus 3x squared plus 6x, okay, plus 8. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so sa ating pang fifth example, so meron tayong tatlong set ng equation, okay? So, ang solution natin dyan, ganun pa rin. Same din sa dalawa yung set. Okay, so we have 8, okay, 8 minus negative 8, okay, plus 3, okay? So, that is plus 19. Tama? Then we have negative b. Okay? Negative b minus 7b. Okay? 7b minus plus negative 3b. Okay? So, plus minus negative 10b, negative 13b. Tama ba? Plus minus negative 8b plus negative 11b pala. Sorry. Negative 11b. Okay? So, ang kasunod mo, 7b cubed. Okay? 7b cubed minus, wala dito, kaya lagay mo lang muna 0, plus 6b cubed. Plus 6b cubed. Okay? So, that will give us 13b cubed. Okay? Then, ang kasunod mo, negative 3b raised to 4. So, then, wala na. Okay? So, therefore, negative b raised to 4. So, ano pa? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, b squared na lang. Okay? So, negative 7b squared. So, ang sagot dyan is negative 7b squared. Okay? Then, set na natin siya. So, negative 3b4, rearrange mo na siya. Negative 3b4 plus 13b cubed, okay, minus 7b squared plus 11b plus 19. Okay, so ito yung sagot. So, dito natin, we have negative 3b4 plus 13b cubed plus 7b squared plus 11b plus 19. Okay, so that's the answer. So that's it for the topic, polynomial simplifying. So I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.